It's crispy, juicy, and delicious. Hey there, welcome to Vividuma. Today we're gonna make Christmas chicken roast. Starting up by 3 tablespoons of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, cinnamon, 1 tablespoon rosemary, it's optional, half tablespoon jeera. Make a fine paste. This needs mehnat. You can make this paste in a mixer grinder, but the taste of a hand grounded paste is 10 times more delicious than the mixer one. Take 100 grams of butter. Butter should be at room temperature. Add the paste. Dash of black pepper. Some lemon zest, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. The quantity of the powder depends upon how spicy it is. Salt to taste, 2 lemon juice, 2 tablespoon of olive oil. This will help the butter from burning. Chopped coriander, and some chopped pudina. Mix everything. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken with its skin. Skin is really very important for a chicken roast to turn crispy. Pat dry the chicken to remove excess water. Now, by inserting a spoon, create the space between the skin and the meat. With the help of toothpick, make some holes all over the chicken. This will help the marination to go inside. 2 cuts on each leg. On the wings and downside. Put the marination in the space we have created. This will help the skin to get crispier. Spread it all over. Inside the chicken, massage the marination all over the chicken. Your hands will get dirty, but it's worth the taste. Tie the legs with the help of a thread. And the wings. Place the chicken in a big bowl, cover it and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. 8 to 6 hours is well and good. Place a low rack on a baking tray. This will help to collect all the juices dripping down while baking the chicken. Place our lovely marinated chicken. I have cut 1 garlic into half and I am gonna place it inside the chicken and 1 onion. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake the chicken for 1 hour on 180 degrees Celsius. In microwave, preheat at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. In micro mode, bake the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Look how crispy and brown our chicken has turned out. Let's collect all our flavorful buttery sauce. Spread it all over the chicken. Your juicy, crispy, delicious, roasted Christmas chicken is ready. Do not just watch, give it a try. And like, share, subscribe.